10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys. Today I will teach you how to use an amazing app for board writing animation called Benign. Follow this video and you will be rated with something in your brain. You can see now the video is loading. Now let's start. If you want to create a Benign movie, you will click on that arrow. You can see, click on the plus. You can see an arrow is pointing at it. Now you will name your movie. You can see classic text. You can see now classic text. Then click on create movie. Once again, if you want to create a Benign movie, you will click on that arrow, on that plus, and you will name your movie. After that, you will click on create movie. You can see now, create movie, click on it. Now, you have successfully created a movie. Now you will start editing it. You can see we have sticker, text, background, hand, and music. And you can add a page. And you can see save, play, and share. So now, let's start with stickers. You can see we have many stickers. You can choose from your pictures. You can see others. Drawing, pick your own. Drawing, school, and the rest. You can see them. Drawings, school, electronics, kitchen, furniture, shapes, and lorry earth. These are the ones that can move. You can see them. Can you see them? They are the ones that move. Then your weather, social media, character, that's all. So you can see, you can apply any sticker you want. Now, let's try like, which is the like sticker. You can see now, it's displayed on our board. You can see now. Now let's go to text. Now it shows you type what you want to insert. So you type what you want to insert. You can see please like and subscribe. Now you click on that insert. You can see now, please like and subscribe has appears on our board. You can change font, change the color, change the size. These three things are called aligned. You can edit it, you can also say done. Now these three things that are cycled are called the align. You can make it in the left align, you can make it in the center align, and it can be on the right align. You can change the delay, pause, duration, and size. Let's start with font. And you can see marker, fabric, flower. You can see them, they're plenty. You can see. Even Indian fonts, they are also there. You can see now we have choose a font. You can see now I'm reducing and adding the size. You can see now I have placed it onto right place. Now if you want to change the font color, the font color, yes. You can see that cursor is blank now. You can move it so it will be bright. Can you see? I'm moving it. Yes. And that one is for, we call it crypto. You can see now the color I have chosen. Then you can click on OK. And see now I've clicked on OK. Can you see now? The font color has changed. Then now distance, you can delay, you can pause. Pause is to like when it's writing, it's to pause for some minutes. Then delay is the time he will take to write it. Then duration also is the time he will take to write it. Then size is how the font will be arranged. Should it be on 2 line or a line or 3 line? Now the delay is in 2 seconds. Now duration, let's leave it in 25. Then the size, can you see? Let's leave it in a line. Now you can say done. Can you see now? Then let's choose a background, which is BG. You can see now we can select a color of background we want. Then you can click OK when you have chosen. Can you see? The color of the background has successfully changed. You can choose the hand you want to write. You can see the hands. Can you see them? There are plenty. So the arrow will be pointing them now one by one. So watch. Can you see now? Then now we can choose the one we want. Now we have chosen. Then let's go to music. This is optional. When you don't like music in your animation, then you can leave it without the music. Then you can say play, save and share. If you want to share, if you click on share, it will play as a video. Then if you click save, it will save it as a project in the app. Then you can play it. Share, it will play as a video in your gallery. Then save will play it as a project in the app only. You can see now it's playing. Please like and subscribe. You can see now. Now, if you want to add a page again, you can add. I've told you before, this share is when you want it to play as a video in your gallery. Then save, it will save it as a project in the app. It will play in the app only. Now music is optional. If you don't like music in your animation, then you leave it. If you want to add a page, you can add. Now, we've clicked on share, then you will name your movie again. classic text. Yes, then we click on make movie. You can see an arrow is pointing on it. Make movie, click on it. Yes, then now wait for it to finish. It's saying rendering movie. After it will say mixing audio. Please wait. Now you allow it to finish. You can see it's almost done. Now, can you see mixing audio? Please wait. Then now, you can say play movie if you don't want to share it to anybody. It says open movie. Then you open with your gallery. You can see now. An arrow is pointing on gallery. Then you click it. You can see now. It will play. So please, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. It's classic text.